Really important question here. What do you eat before a Pilates class? A nutritionally balanced meal, a nutritionally balanced snack, protein, fruit, juice, water. How about nothing? Pilates isn't just a lay there on the mat and meditate. I love meditation, but this is not that. And not only is Pilates a workout, it's an ab workout. Do you really want something in your stomach before an ab workout? Really? No, when it comes to Pilates, it's better not to have anything in your stomach unless you like puking, and that's a whole nother video or something. Do not eat before a Pilates class. Nothing. Go hungry if you have to. Do not eat. You'll thank me later.